Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth sharing on MacBook Air. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on Bluetooth sharing on MacBook Air, click on System Preferences. Now click on Sharing. Here you will find an option Bluetooth sharing. Click on it, and by default Bluetooth sharing is turned off. Now click on the checkbox to turn it on, and Bluetooth sharing is turned on right now. When receiving items, accept and save, you can change this option. Accept and open, ask what to do or never allowed. I am selecting accept and save, and then next option, folder for accepted items. By default download is selected. Click on the drop down. Here you will find others, and you can select location as you need. Then when other devices browse, always allow is selected. You can change the option, ask what to do or never allowed. The last option is folder others can browse. By default public is selected. You can change it by clicking on the drop down and select others. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.